So this is the entrance. Ooh, this is nice. This is beautiful. And it's very modern too. Nice. Love the double sink. Has a dishwasher. This is the dining room. That flows straight into the little sitting room over there. Oh, nice. A little sitting area. There's a half bathroom. As you come down here, there is a bathroom. This is nice. This is beautiful. Nice. There is a little storing room, storage here. Nice little exercise area. Nice. And a bedroom. I love how modern the place is. This would be the kitchen and living room area. Nice. Oh. And the laundry is right here. And that's the basement. This is so cute. closet right here. I think this is the master bedroom. Love, I'm so in love with the flooring. Okay, come on. There is another bedroom over here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. Ooh, love that. Beautiful. And this is the back portion of the house. A spacious area, big enough to have a little get together. There's a trampoline, as you can see, so kids can play there. And a little area for a garden where you can plant your little flowers and all that. And of course, you have the little seating area up there, a little deck. Not bad. Let me know in the comment section if you would get it. It's 1.8 million Canadian.